Welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. If you are new, I'm Emma and I create beauty, fashion, lifestyle related videos you can check every week. For today's video, I'm gonna share my gym routine for you guys, so let's go to the gym with me. Whenever I arrive at the gym, I just start my workout by warming up my body because I usually go to the gym in the morning. I just do whatever stretch I feel like I want. And after stretching my body, I usually do 3 HIIT exercises for pumping up my heart rate for 40 seconds and 20 seconds rest. These are just easy, simple 3 exercises, but trust me, after that, I'm sweaty. And I also feel really good. And then I do 2 leg workouts for sets, 10 to 12 reps. After leg workouts, I do upper body workouts like triceps, biceps, shoulders, and chest. I know many people do workouts separately, like leg days and arm days, but I prefer to do it at the same time. Today, I decided to have a shoulder day. So I do 2 leg workouts, and after that I do 2 shoulder workouts, and at the last I do 1 leg workout and also do a shoulder workout. I love to do mix and match because that makes me less bored. After doing weightlifting, I usually do cardio for about 20 minutes. Today I decided to do running stuff. Except cardio, my routine takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, and let me know what kinds of videos you guys want to see in the future, and really hope my video helps you to motivate. And have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and see you on my next video. Bye.